Well, Tuesday afternoon, everybody. This is a quick mail call. Stuff I ordered last Thursday and a couple of things I picked up. First one, picked up which I've been wanting this one for a few years. Picked that up, of course, Hobby Lobby. Yeah. And this is for my Bandai group build. It's a simple one, but I'm going to end up priming and painting it different colors. So it'll be quick but fun. Something to do right quick amongst all my other group builds I got going on. And then picked up some paints, some more splash paints. I got some it's a red base, but it's a light base. This is it's a pink color here, about almost like the pink primer that Tamiya has. But this you put over a I guess a gray or a black primer. That way it enhances this one I'm doing, this Rosa Mars. It's going to be the color for my Porsche tractor I'm doing. Then I've also got the Guardsman blue, Kona blue, and yes, another blue, a dark blue. This interior color. So I got a couple of them. Got the cream, also an interior color. Then I got me some more different primers, or surfacers they call them. Got white and I got light gray here. And I got two of those pink red bases. And I got some more metallizers. I got the burnt iron, a copper, and then I got aluminium and dark aluminum, whichever y'all want to call it. I don't know if you can tell it. Yeah, you can definitely tell a difference. So experiment with those bad boys. And one more thing, got this in the mail. I don't know if I want to show this yet or not. I can hold off on that one. That one we'll do later. Other than that, I've got my tractor built back here. It's all in pieces. What we got here? Oh, yeah. They're all on sticks. I got everything, every little piece. I'm going to prime them. Prime them all, and maybe tomorrow, if it works right, I'll hit it with this and this here. It says that I can, as soon as I prime it, when it's tacky and drying up, I can hit the parts that I want to paint this color with this here. So we'll try that. So that's pretty much what I got going on. Got quite a bit done. I got well, this is just a mail call, but I've got the Terry build over here. I've got the chassis more or less together. Engines in there. Everything's been painted. It's more or less detail painting right now and piecing everything together for Terry's build. The Sci-Fi Enterprise group build for Hobby Lobby. It's built. Needs to be primed and painted. Detail parts have pretty much been done. Of course, the tractor's up here on the sticks. Battleships behind me on the toolbox. Still fouling with the photo etch. Quite the doozy. But that's about it. Been busy the last few days in here. A lot going on. But that's it. Other than that, I'm fixing to get back here after this video and start priming. So until then, y'all take it easy. And we'll talk to everyone later.